everyone, and welcome back to Too Tall to Drive. This is video number 10. Today is Monday, after the back of some comments from a video that I published on Sunday. I'm losing track of the week. The exhausts were a bit grubby, so I ordered some Autosol, and I've basically now going to attempt to clean the exhaust. Bearing in mind the exhaust hasn't been cleaned in 3 years, and every video online of anyone using this, they're like, let me just clean my exhaust, and 2 minutes later it's done. But to be honest, the exhaust looked brand new to start with, so I'm not really sure whether that's an achievement on their front or not. So this is a 3-year-old exhaust, never been cleaned in its time, and see what it comes out of in 30 minutes of cleaning.
Okay, so this is the exhaust I'm working with. I'm only going to do one side because there's no point doing both, but then you can at least see a before and after of it all. So this is the current condition, and I'm going to be using Autosol, which is this, which I ordered off Amazon for, I think it was £4.75.
Welcome to the home of the richest kid in the world.
All the rubbish, it's just polish on it at the moment. So I'm just gonna something like that, and apply it straight on, I guess. So. Well, problem number one is getting actually behind the exhaust. It's quite highly fitted. So I've probably been scrubbing for about 5 minutes. You can start to see that it's coming off. To be fair, from a distance it does already look a lot better. There's a long way to go though, so we'll keep at it. So I'm about 14-15 minutes into the clean. This is where we're at the moment. You can start to see it is making a difference. I mean, from here it looks like a massive difference compared to this. This is where we started. So yeah, it is working. The fact that it's taken a lot longer than I thought isn't ideal, but hey, we'll see how it goes. Catch up with everyone in a bit. So you can see already that there is a big difference between the two exhausts. I mean, that's looking shiny and that one's looking dreadful. But to think it was only going to take 10 minutes was a big underestimation. But yeah, well, we'll keep going for a little bit and see how well this goes. But yeah, so far so good. I don't know if there's any better techniques. Tempted in some ways to try a different technique on the other exhaust, but we'll see. I have a lot more work to do on that exhaust in terms of cleaning it, so I will definitely go back to it at another time, and I'll post updated photos sort of on my Instagram if you're interested on the difference using Autosol. I may or may not order a different product for the other side and just see if that makes any difference. If anyone knows of any products that are worthwhile using on the exhaust that aren't Autosol, let me know, and I'll definitely give it a go. So now that video is done, I hope you enjoyed it. I am off to Aldi to do the weekly shop, and then I will edit this and hopefully get it out tomorrow, which is Tuesday, I think. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and all the other bits, and I will see you in the next video.